Before you buy an electric tricycle, please watch the full video to know which product is the best. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 best electric tricycles of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which electric trike offers the best combination of power, comfort, range, and value for your money. Whether you're looking for a reliable commuter, a cargo-friendly utility trike, or a comfortable ride for everyday transportation, this list has been carefully researched to help you choose the right electric tricycle without the guesswork. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. MOONCOOL Electric Tricycle. The MOONCOOL folding electric tricycle is designed for riders who want convenience, stability, and everyday practicality. It features a choice of 500-watt or 750-watt motor options, a 48-volt removable battery, a lightweight aluminum frame, suspension fork, and a rear differential for smoother cornering. Review highlights. The MOONCOOL delivers a comfortable and stable riding experience while being easy to store and transport. Its folding design and high weight capacity make it especially attractive for riders looking for versatility and convenience. Pros: 500-watt or 750-watt motor options, 48-volt removable battery, rear differential for improved handling, foldable aluminum frame, 450-pound load capacity, 95% pre-assembled. Number 4. Qlife Triker Plus 1200-watt. The Qlife Triker Plus features a peak 1200-watt motor paired with a 624 watt-hour battery, delivering speeds up to 20 miles per hour and an impressive riding range of up to 65 miles under ideal conditions. Its foldable frame and 20 by 4-inch fat tires provide excellent stability and comfort on pavement, gravel, and light off-road terrain. Review highlights. The Triker Plus offers an excellent balance of power, portability, and long-range performance. Its folding design makes storage simple, while the fat tires provide confidence across a variety of riding conditions. Pros: peak 1200-watt motor, up to 65-mile riding range, foldable frame, 20 by 4-inch fat tires, comfortable ride quality, excellent stability. Number 3. Electric Trike for adults. This electric trike is powered by a peak 960-watt motor and a 36-volt 15-amp-hour battery, delivering a riding range of up to 50 miles and a top speed of 20 miles per hour. It also features oversized 20 by 4-inch fat tires, a foldable frame, and a spacious rear cargo basket, making it ideal for commuting, shopping, and everyday transportation. Review highlights. The combination of practical cargo space, dependable performance, and comfortable riding characteristics makes this trike an excellent value for daily use. It's especially appealing for riders who need extra storage without sacrificing stability. Pros: 960-watt peak motor, up to 50-mile riding range, large rear cargo basket, foldable frame, 20 by 4-inch fat tires, smooth and stable ride. Number 2. KAKIGO Electric Tricycle. The KAKIGO Electric Tricycle is powered by a peak 1350-watt motor and a 48-volt 15.6-amp-hour battery, delivering strong acceleration and speeds up to 20 miles per hour. Its folding frame, 20 by 4-inch fat tires, and rear differential provide excellent maneuverability and stability. Review highlights. This trike offers powerful performance, excellent handling, and dependable ride quality. The rear differential noticeably improves turning stability, making it a great choice for both city streets and recreational riding. Pros: peak 1350-watt motor, 48-volt 15.6-amp-hour battery, rear differential, foldable frame, 20 by 4-inch fat tires, strong build quality. Number 1. KAKIGO Tricycle 1350-watt. The KAKIGO Tricycle with passenger seat is the most versatile model on this list. Powered by a peak 1350-watt motor and a 48-volt 15.6-amp-hour battery, features a comfortable 2-passenger seat, front and rear cargo baskets, and a rear differential for improved stability while turning. Review highlights. The KAKIGO passenger trike stands out with its outstanding combination of power, practicality, and comfort. The dedicated passenger seat, spacious cargo baskets, and reliable motor make it an excellent solution for riders who need both transportation and utility. Pros: peak 1350-watt motor, comfortable 2-passenger seating, 48-volt 15.6 amp-hour battery, front and rear cargo baskets, rear differential for smoother handling, excellent utility. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing motor performance, riding comfort, cargo capacity, battery performance, build quality, and overall value, the KAKIGO Tricycle with passenger seat is the best overall electric tricycle of 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.